The big wave of Pi is coming. There are now Pi marketplaces in Nigeria and also different regions around the world. Pioneers can now use their Pi in mainnet transactions. If you don't know about it, keep watching this video, and we'll tell you exciting news about platforms where you can shop and spend your Pi coins. Pi Network is a new cryptocurrency in which you can be mining for free. It just requires you to log in every day so as to verify you're not a bot. The Pi coin doesn't worth anything now, but you can just invest your time for the future. If the app doesn't become successful, you won't lose any money or anything, but if it does, you'll be able to withdraw your Pi coin. You can download the app on Play Store, Android users, and App Store, iOS users. Make sure you use my invitation code. This is Crypto Report, your favorite channel for Pi Network update and also crypto news. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button to receive the most recent update on Pi Network and also other cryptocurrency update. Additionally, you can send us an email if you want our assistance, and also advertising with us. Without further ado, let's get back to the video. On the juicy details, everyone is ecstatic right now, as Pi Network can now be used for the exchange of goods. Now let's talk about Nigeria. Some of our team in Nigeria just found out that some merchant in Nigeria has begun to accept Pi Network for the exchange of goods, mostly in some supermarket in places like Kano, Lagos, Kwara and Abuja. Our respondent being interviewed with one of the merchants said that, since the Pi Network has passes through the mainnet, they exchange 1 Pi for 500 naira. Meanwhile, some merchant exchange it for 1000 naira. It all depends on the location and what you want to exchange your Pi coin for. This is a very good news for the Nigeria pioneers, as they can now exchange their Pi coin for fiat currency or payment method, not only in Nigeria. If you have watched our previous video, we have talked about where you can chop your Pi coin in America. You can check it on our previous video, but obviously, one of the reasons is because Pi Network coin can be used to make payments. How beautiful is that? Pi is now tradable for products and services, but it cannot be exchanged for fiat money in some countries yet, or additional cryptocurrencies. Soon I'll explain. Pioneers will have access to applications and marketplaces for product purchases with a Pi payment in Nigeria. In fact, the majority of these markets are prepared and operational. Simply awaiting the Raspberry Pi SDK, the SDK's current core group is nearly finished. Remember that you'll only see it with the Pi browser app. Reputable retailers and markets that have been duly passed connected to the blockchain of the Pi network ensure that you only purchase and sell on the market currently using the Pi browser application. Now, let's discuss a couple markets that are willing to accept Pi in the future. On our research, we found out that places like Konga, Gigi, and Jumia, which are e-commerce company in Nigeria, things can be bought in stores for less money in this company. As a result of the competition between them, for physical and digital commodities using Pi, more platforms besides Pi, Network Coins Market, platforms that sell products like cell devices, jewels, scents, wines, garments, and as a result, you can order something from it will be any place in Nigeria. With this, pioneers in Nigeria will have access to exchange their coins. Don't forget, Nigeria has the biggest economy in Africa. With the help of Pi Network, it will make transaction to be more easier in the country. Let's briefly discuss how you can use the marketplace on the Pi browser. Access the website using the Pi browser. The market and select the item you desire. When you click on the link, purchase using Pi coin, you will be required to sign in during the shop. Your Pi wallet is connected to in this step the market, and you're required to when you select a region, a list of nations from which you can select the store can then be one where you reside. It's simple to connect to your wallet in this way. And that's all for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification button to receive the most recent news. Additionally, using the email address to send us an email, we can assist you in creating advertisements or other business related materials. Thank you and see you in the next one.